ginamit nila dito sa chest. Yung logo niya sculpted, very nice, and ang ganda rin ng pagkakagawa, lalong-lalo na dito. Hindi siya loose. Tamang-tama lang yung higpit ng niya, ng higpit ng mga screws for articulation. Okay? In terms of body build ni Spider-Man, hindi siya yung super large build. Parang very slim medium build yung proportion ng body ni Spider-Man dito. Meron din mga lines, mga armor lines dito sa kanyang body. Sa ganda ng texturized segment dito sa kanyang arms. And then dito meron din siyang gold gauntlet to complement yung red. Very nice. Kasi ito, warm color. Tapos yung gold naman, nasa medyo mas cool tone. Hindi siya yung super vibrant na gold. Very nice texture here sa inner part ng kanyang thighs. Then sa likod naman, ito yung back part niya na merong attachment ng mga iron spider na legs. Tapos for the feet, meron siyang boot, boots na merong gold segment, and then dito meron din gold section. And then meron din siyang ano pa ba? Meron ding toe articulation. In terms of yun nga, mga accessories muna. Sige, sa accessories meron siyang hexagon shape na base. Meron din siyang pole with spring-loaded clamp. So, pwede nyo i-post for dynamic poses. Meron siyang web accessory na translucent. Also, meron din siya 6 extra hands and 2 extra eyes. Okay? Very nice. Okay, in terms of articulation, yung kanyang head can rotate. Ooh, nice. Can look up, down, rotate, 360. Tapos, meron siyang butterfly joint. Arms can rotate, double jointed elbow. Tapos, ball joint yung kamay. It can also stretch, crunch, move side to side. Legs can go pull down, tapos can kick that far. Tapos double jointed yung kanyang knee, can go out this far, back kick. Tapos meron din siyang toe articulation. Ball jointed din yung paa. Alright, overall, this is a very nice action figure from ZD Toys. And kung gusto niyo bumili nito mga ma'am sir, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Laruanan on Shopee. Very nice paint job, very nice sculpt. Ganda ng Iron Man spider legs na attachments dito sa likod. Also, meron pa siyang mga accessories and base. So, sulit na sulit ang mga ma'am sir. That's it. So, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!